Stop buying fake gems. Today, we are exposing an incredible trick to instantly separate cheap glass imitations from real precious gemstones. You might be looking at a total scam without even knowing it. I'm Jade Gensini, and in this video, we are going deep inside the microscope from 10x all the way up to 64x magnification to show you the ultimate truth. At 64, the ultimate truth is revealed. Look at this. We are starting at 10x magnification on a 100% natural sunstone. Pay close attention. As we zoom all the way up to 64x, look at those metallic flashes. What you are seeing here are real, tiny platelets of copper trapped inside the crystal structure. But notice something very important. Look at their shapes. They are irregular, chaotic, and completely random. Nature doesn't use a ruler. Along with these copper flake, you can spot genuine, natural inclusions. Now, let's switch to the challenger. At 10x magnification, it looks almost identical, right? In fact, to the untrained eye, it looks even brighter and more perfect. But let's push the microscope past 20x, 40x, all the way to 64x magnification. Do you see the difference? Look closely at those sparkly flakes. They aren't random at all. They are perfectly geometric, sharp, triangular copper platelets. This is the absolute giveaway. This isn't a gemstone born in the earth. This is Goldstone, a man-made material. Those perfect little triangles were intentionally placed into molten glass by human hands. It is a beautiful laboratory creation, but at the end of the day, it is just glass. Mind-blowing, right? Triangles versus total chaos. But wait until you see them side by side again. Let's head back to the real sunstone so you can lock this difference into your brain forever. Let's jump back to the natural sunstone. This second look is crucial for anyone who wants to avoid getting ripped off. Look at how the light catches those irregular copper platelets. Some are elongated, some are jagged, and no two flakes are ever the same. More importantly, look past the sparkles. See those other tiny imperfections and natural mineral inclusions? That is the DNA of a real gemstone. This beautiful, chaotic randomness is the definitive proof that this stone is real, rare, and valuable. And one last look at the imitation. It's a very clever human invention, first created centuries ago, but it remains a simulated product. If a seller tries to offer you this as a natural crystal, you now know you are looking at a trick. See those perfect, repeating triangular shapes suspended in that clear, uniform glass? Under magnification, Goldstone displays a clear, geometric pattern of evenly spread, highly reflective triangular or hexagonal platelets. Rather than the randomly oriented, irregular inclusions found in natural stones, gemologists use these distinct geometric copper shapes to tell them apart. Like we just talked about, nature's irregular beauty will always beat man-made geometric glass. If you want to protect your wallet and learn more secrets under the microscope, hit that like button and subscribe to Gemological Institute of Genoa channel. See you in the next deep dive!